When your landline shows a busy signal, even though no one is using the phone, several factors could be causing this frustrating issue. The most common cause is a wiring problem within your home. A short circuit in the phone line can trick the system into thinking your phone is off the hook, even when it's properly hung up. Other potential causes include call forwarding being accidentally enabled, your number being blocked by the phone company, or issues with phone settings that prevent proper line release. With the ongoing transition from traditional telephone networks to digital systems, compatibility issues are becoming more common. The old public switched telephone network is being replaced by voice over Internet Protocol technology. By January 2027, the traditional telephone network will be completely phased out. This means understanding digital phone systems and their potential issues is becoming increasingly important for all users. To diagnose the issue, start with basic physical checks. Test your master socket, ensure all connections are secure, and if you have broadband, make sure microfilters are properly installed on double phone sockets.